Want to learn how to deactivate your Facebook account through Facebook Lite app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on these 3 straight parallel lines on the top right corner. Scroll down. Tap on Settings, below Most Recent. Tap on Personal and Account Information onto this account section. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. You can see that you have an option of Deactivation and Deletion, where you can temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your account. Tap on Deactivation and Deletion. Here you have an option of choosing either you want to deactivate your account or you want to delete your account permanently. Since we are trying to deactivate our account, tap on this blank circular section just above Deactivate Account and then tap on Continue below. Now you've been given an option to choose the reason of you deactivating your Facebook account. I'm randomly going to choose one. For that, you need to tap on this circular blank section just above particular reason, and even you can further explain your reason for deactivating by tapping on this blank section, and you can randomly choose anything. I am going to choose one of the reason just like this, or even you can leave it or skip it. So when you're done doing it, tap on Continue below. So you can see that before account deactivation, you can still choose to control your information, to provide a feedback to Facebook, or even save post in your archive. If you don't want to do it, you can tap on Continue below. And the next process is you can either choose to keep using Messenger. If you want to keep using Messenger, you can tap on this blank section just in front of keep using Messenger below. And then even you can opt out of receiving future notification from Facebook. If you want to opt out of it, then you can tap on this blank section again. And then you can see that you can reactivate your account at any time by logging in with your email or password. So tap on Deactivate My Account just above Cancel. So you can see that account deactivation successful. That means you have successfully done your job. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.